Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about patience builds results. Patience feels slow, it asks. Real growth takes time. Nothing strong forms instantly. Waiting is part of building. Patience protects progress. Results come later. Effort feels unnoticed. Doubt appears often. Patience keeps direction steady. If you are young, learn patience early. Do not rush outcomes. Stay with the work. Let time assist you. 6 months of patience beat 1 week of panic. Stay calm. Trust the process. Results arrive quietly. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.